Hey everyone, Lydia here, and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm super excited to dive into the SUNSEEKER X7 wireless robot lawn mower. If you've ever dreamed of a perfectly mowed lawn without lifting a finger, stick around because this could be a game changer. Let's break it down and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk features. The SUNSEEKER X7 is designed for medium to large yards, covering up to 3/4 of an acre or 32,000 square feet. It's completely wireless, so no messy boundary wires to deal with. You set up virtual boundaries through the Smart app, which also lets you schedule mowing times and manage multiple zones. The mower uses Vision AI and RTK navigation for precise cutting, dodging obstacles like trees or toys with ease. Plus, it has an adaptive floating cut height up to 4 inches, so it adjusts to your lawn's terrain for a clean, even cut. And get this, it's got anti-theft GPS and 4G tracking, so your mower stays safe. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, this thing is a time saver. Once it's set up, it mows on its own, leaving you free to relax or tackle other chores. The app is user-friendly, and the AI navigation handles complex yards like a champ. It's also quiet, so you won't annoy the neighbors. And with a 2-hour charge for 1.5 hours of mowing, it's efficient for most lawns. But there are a few cons. The initial setup, like mapping your yard, can take some patience. It's not ideal for super small lawns since it's built for bigger spaces. And while it tackles slopes up to 35 degrees, really steep hills might be a challenge. So who's this for? If you've got a medium to large yard and hate mowing, the SUNSEEKER X7 is a solid pick. The tech makes lawn care effortless, and the pros outweigh the cons for most homeowners. It's not cheap, but the time and hassle it saves could make it worth every penny. Ready to check it out? Head to the link in the description to grab the SUNSEEKER X7 on Amazon. Right now, Rick's Review Hub has special promotional pricing, so you can snag the best deal out there. Clicking our link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, so we'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, give us a like, share it with a friend, or hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. Drop a comment if you've got a robot mower or if this one's on your wish list. Until next time, keep your lawn sharp and your vibes sharper.